Hey guys, check out this rebuild kit, carburetor rebuild kit for the Poulan Pro chainsaw and different the P um, the P42 A, I think 218A. Comes with a adjusting screwdriver, new spark plug, two filters, carburetor, complete carburetor, air filter. This is the primer bulb with the line. Also comes with two gaskets, two fuel line, the in return line, and the feed line. And there's two sizes. This is the thicker one and this is the thinner one, and this is the part number here. You can get it on Amazon. It's an aftermarket rebuild carburetor kit for your chainsaw, and it's for most models of chainsaw. The Poulan Pro chainsaw. So you can check it out. If you like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, subscribe to see more videos, leave a comment down below, and thanks for watching.